We are in the dream world of the future. Here we are in the future, and I can't believe we can go far. LightningDudes future, here we are. Whoa, where am I? The light world will end. The light world will end? What? Cool?
What's this stuff right here? Well, looks like there's there. Are you to break through? Lightning dude. Hey, Ark, were you trapped over here?
Yeah, I was trapped in here for almost a week. I think.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know who these other gems are, but apparently the light world is in danger. You need to like save and stuff. Like it looks like right next to my portal that I use for warping is like the portal to get there.
Oh, then let's go.
Here we go.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, collective gems.
More collective gems.
They're way too easy.
Yeah, because we fought these kinds before.
In the movie. Wink, wink.
Oh. We're breaking the fourth wall, I see.
Yeah, break the fourth wall.
Okay, whatever. Oh, what the? I am Dreamworld Blackochrome. Dreamworld Blackochrome? What? Okay. Take care of the rest of these last minions I have. Whoa, spawning everywhere. Let's get them all. You may have taken me down, but I will make my comeback. Whoa! Whoa, his whole head is becoming apart. Well, he has something.
Oh. Soul gem number 3. We never had this one before. We had Soul gem 1 and 6. So we must get 2, 4, 5, 7.
You might not see me like this for every time we meet. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. Oh, looks like he's already been done. Well, looks like we have saved the light world.
Yep.
And now we can head back to your dream world.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Made it back. Oh, and I think Neo did some fixing up the stuff. There was also an explosion here, but it was fixing everything.
I don't remember that at all.
Yeah, of course you don't, because Neo fixed up the stuff for you.
I wonder what that thing is, but maybe for an other part.
Okay. I'm just looking in there because I've never seen there before. Also, I wonder what this is. Maybe I'll find the items used for this racing, or if there is items used for it. So I just need to go and check up on something real quick.
I wonder what this portal takes me to, but I'm not going to go into the portal yet. Oh, this book? I need to go back to my universe because I had to see gems that need my help and stuff. Sorry to leave, but I must do my job as a diamond without other stuff that I am not doing at my universe. I am just useless if I have no gem powers. I am nothing. I must be something and help gems in my universe. I'll make sure to return one day. From Cole. Oh. Well, if Cole needs to save his universe, that's fine. I just need to go somewhere too, I guess. Maybe through that portal, I guess I could go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Whoa.
Looks like I still have freeze time powers, though. I will be looking forward to meeting you and trying to do that with you through the portal.
Whoa. I'm finally back here. Or not back here, but I am back here. But in the not future, but past. Is there one of those machine thingies from the future? Hello, boss. From the future. Hello. Hello, Dome. What can I do for you, boss? Can you give me a little sneak peek where, not sneak peek, but where Lightning Dude went? Sure, boss. He went through that evil, dark-looking portal. Okay, thank you, Dome. Must talk to you later. Must catch up to that dude. Because he doesn't know who I am or what I am. I'm his real father. I might be evil, but I'm after him. Let's go back before Melvin shut down. Finally out of this body. Must go since that. Finally out of this body since that pile of junk was in my body. Since now I could just go into this portal. Thank you, Dome, for my help, or for your help. Now my time to go through that portal and get my son back. At last, I already killed his mother once. Now I'm going to put him in where he belongs. Hope this doesn't get executed. Hope not. Time to go. Wait, if I go to him, will he notice me? Because I was like, not thinner, but bigger before. Will he know that I'm must hide somewhere, right? A cave or somewhat. I'm going to hide right here. Here's my new house for now. I know that Taco Comb is after Lightning Dude or my son, but I hope he can make it to him before he defeats Black Oak Chrome. Before he dies. But before his gem get not vanished but bubbled, I want to fuse with him for the last battle with Lightning Dude. Then, done. He's done. He's done. I mean, done. Then, then I don't know what to do. I don't want my son to die, but I also want him to die because of his mother. If I didn't let him live, then what happens? Since that friend of his left, he's got nothing he can, not left, but his friend Cole left. Now he can't even stop nobody. Or the gems can't even stop me or Black Ocombe. Black Ocombe. Now it's our time as villains to take down Lightning Dude. Then after that, well, my first plan is definitely to reunite with the villains. That Lightning Dude didn't even bubbled. Well, one of those things were the virus things. The virus thing, which doesn't even help. But okay. Then, darn, he bubbled, that Jack Frost dude. Dragon Lord. Not the Bat dude, he sort of died. Who else? Well, I could get the villain dude from my evil Light Ward, or don't even know how to say it. Evil Light Ward, or Evil Ward, or I don't even know what to call it now. And get all the villains back that sort of died, I guess. Or whatever, so here we go. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.
I spent the last 2 weeks just screaming